What can you expect from Allaire Chem-Dry when you have your carpets, fine rugs, upholstery, and tile cleaned by us? You can expect the best trained, most polite, uniformed technicians, superior, quick-drying, green-certified cleaning solutions, state-of-the-art cleaning equipment, and outstanding service that we stand behind 100%. We will schedule a cleaning time that works for you and call to let you know when your technician is on their way. Upon arrival, your technician will take the time to go over your needs and inspect your home, discussing with you any areas of special concern. Your technician will then present a plan to clean your home, and once you approve, they will begin. Unlike many companies, we always pre-vacuum our customers' carpets using a powerful, commercial-grade vacuum equipped with a HEPA filter to keep the dust contained. We also go the extra mile by using a new bag on every job to ensure we're not bringing any unwanted allergens into your home. We install corner guards to protect your home and carefully move your furniture from work areas. We pre-treat areas of concern and all high-traffic areas, then clean your carpet using the Natural, our green-certified carpet cleaner. You can rest assured that the Natural is non-toxic and hypoallergenic, so it is 100% safe for your family and pets. We even clean your carpets twice to ensure the deepest clean possible. Next, we power dry your carpets. Once again, going the extra mile to make sure your carpets are dry in minutes rather than hours, so that you and your family can begin using your fresh, clean, dry carpets as quickly as possible. Your technician will then post-inspect your carpets with you to make sure that all areas of concern have been addressed. We guarantee that when you use Allaire Chem-Dry, the result will be a cleaner, drier, healthier home, and the finest service possible anywhere.